Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 3 of Stewardship of Public Assets. This week, we're going to connect the dots between revenue systems, taxation, and human resource decision-making, all through the lens of your mission statements and your core strategic objectives or plans, the ones you've recently started to develop. From Lee, Johnson, and Joyce, Public Budgeting Systems, we'll review 2 key areas for revenue. First, we'll talk about transaction-based sources like sales tax, fees, and charges, which are often much more sensitive to economic cycles. And then we'll speak to income tax, payroll, and property taxes, which form the backbone of most public budgets, but raise questions of fairness, stability, and political acceptability. And we'll delve into this a little bit further as we move through the live session. Understanding these revenue streams is critical because your mission statements can't just be aspirational. They need to be sustainable. They need funding to make them real. As you'll see, the way governments select, balance, and justify revenue choices says a lot about their priorities and their values. On the HR side, we'll turn to Berman, Bowman, West, and Van Wert's chapter on selection. This chapter walks us through the evolution from centralized civil service systems to today's more decentralized decision-making. Why does this matter to you? Because the people you bring into the organizations are the ones who carry out the mission you've written. Strategic planning isn't just about numbers. It's about ensuring the right talent is in place to deliver the results. So as you go through these readings, I encourage you to reflect on these 2 questions. How do revenue choices we make either enable or limit our mission and our ability to complete that mission? And 2, how do you hire and select systems alignment, or should I say, how do hiring and selection systems align or conflict with your strategic direction that you've identified? So by the end of the week, you should be able to see how money, people, and mission are inseparably linked in public service. That's the essence of stewardship. Making decisions today that sustain your agency's values and goals for the long run. I look forward to hearing from you in class and to learn your insights into these topics. With that being said, let's get started.